What's up? I think it's on. Oh, yeah. All right, we're good. Okay. What's up, everybody? Happy Mondays. Okay. So, what we're doing today is we're cleaning some shit up. So, what I just did the other day was... What the hell? Duh. It's too early. Too early. All right. Let's go see the factory admin. All right. Sweet. There he is. All right. I just need my music. Oh, wait a minute. QR code. Scan it and find out if you dare. Whoa. All right. Let's get on with the show. Start waking up here. I just get something to listen to here. Oh shit, that's my live stream. Alright. The stream's up. That's good. Brooklyn Bridge catches fire during fireworks shows. That sucks. Hopefully nobody got hurt. Alright. Let me just get some music here. Gonna do 80s today. Feeling the 80s. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Alright. Welcome, hi CJ, XYZ, PT Barnum of AI. Welcome to the big show. So, I just moved everything onto here. This is my personal GitHub on my server, GitXYZ. I have trust issues, so I just make all my own stuff. Who doesn't, right? Anyways, so just a couple of days ago, I mounted all this stuff. I brought this over 5 days ago, or maybe. Anyways, I brought it over a few days ago, and then last night I started cutting over all the products. What I mean by cut over is like, so they're now running right from these trees right here. The dev one's for development. So this is the active one I work on, right? Look, I got a pull request in as you get to see. Okay, so did some work last night, right? I pull it down. I do work in my environment. And then, you know, we do the work. Once it's all clean, you push it to here. And this broadcasts online. This is the active development one. So let me pull the... That's how you do it right there. And on your own ish. What? So this is a huge upgrade for everything that I got going on. Nope, that's not it. There we go. I think I just caught it up. Oh. All right, never mind. Anyways, so when I brought all this stuff on the dev server, they were kind of all using and calling the same processes. So now that they're on here, they're all separated. So I'm just detangling the last of the effery, if you will. So these two right here are sharing a background service. So I get this one going, and then boom, I fixed it. All right, great. And they start working on the other one. It's fine. All right, the other one broke. So the two switchboards I just got caught out. So this is CRM. So this is my development one. This is the one I'm actively building on. And then this one is the production one that people come to. This one's just the working copy. So, you know, when I push updates and mess things up, it doesn't blow up the one everybody gets to look at. So we're going to be working on Comms 360. Now look at, this is the production version, right? Okay. So you can see the Comms 360. Now if we go over here to the development one, we're way for, look at this, right? It's getting there. So this is basically going to be roughly our comm center. A few things I want to change. But you're going to have your messaging tile in here. It's hard to see it right now. But you'll be able to do phone calls right from here. And these areas are going to get cut into. And then I think in workspace area, I'm going to put the... calendar is this? This is an older version, I think. So this will be good to show too. So over here in this one, oh, this is the older version too. Okay, cool. So basically what was happening before I had this, everything was on the server and everything was in file systems. But these, my little minions just, they just, you know, throw shit wherever they want. And it gets messy, and then services get picked up. I mean, that's what it's for. This is a way more organized way to do it. So this is a huge upgrade for me. So this is the last untangling. I got the switchboard development and the live one differentiated. So this is the one we're working on today. And then, you know, this is the production version. It doesn't have the upgrade. I was banging my head off the wall for like a day. Why isn't this changing? Well, because it was writing over here. So that takes care of that. I'll get this out of the way because we don't need to use that. I'll bring it way over here. All right. Well, we don't need you. All right, so we're going to clean these up. This is for Tracer and the CL member balancer. Okay. Let me get my ish set up here. Well, I'm trying to do a little work on EILA today too. Which I've been wanting to do. Is I want to get her on the I want to get her little pretty little face on the AI assistant pop-up tile. And it's just I want to bring my branding in, you know, without, you know, overly saturating it. That was a good one. Boom. So we rip in 502. Nope. Did we get the other one? 200. Okay. So we got one of them to come back up. But that's the problem. They're intertwined. So let's see which one we got back. That's the 502. So this one's probably back. You like that? Almost like I know what I'm doing. It's a joke. I have no idea what I'm doing. So on Tracer, our warehouse scraper here, the same thing. These processes are over. So you see this I think the backend has to get restarted on this, because it's pulling from like a repository of 5 million different components, templates, little coding snippets and stuff that do specific things. So basically, I guess you call this hardening passes for the migration over to the my GitHub. So this is like the last of the cleanup that took like 2 days that I really didn't have to burn on this, but it needed to be done. I just couldn't move forward Couldn't move forward. It's just for the 2 days I spent, the rest of my work's going to be a lot more productive. And then long term, obviously. It's the way to go, you know. Got my own GitLab, bro. GitLabbing like an adult. All right. Like that. I didn't run this, did I? Did I? Oh. Whoop! Too far. All right. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. So after this, these guys should... The tunnels aren't broken. Yeah, I know the tunnels aren't broken. Okay, I got back to 200 on both of these. The real issue is your UI service. And you change it multiple times. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, we fixed that. We fixed that. We fixed that. Wrong. Yeah. Broken system command over state. Why everything looked like? Because the UI was proxied through. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Fix the systems unit. Can get behind that. You know, I hate it when they play games with me. Bro. Sorry. One of my kids' friends is like blowing up that chat. Bro. This kid. Kidding me, dude? I have no idea who that was. One of my kids' friends. Alright. What am I doing here? No, we don't want all this. What are we doing here? Oh, I pasted it in like 20 times because it wasn't working. Haha. What in the hell? Okay. Oh, we're doing this again? Jeez, for fuck's sake. You're out of touch. I can't sing, my voice is cooked, but that's what I'm listening to right now. All right. Whoa. Okay. Is this the right script? Yes, it is. Boom. For fuck's sake, man. You know, I gotta catch. Oh, I'll smash it up. All right, now I gotta go. I hate this damn thing. Bane of my existence is Nano. I gotta get a better thing than this. All right. Whoop. Yes. Black hole sun, won't you come? Smack all my little AI agents in the face. Stop them from acting up. No, they're behaving now. Last night they were stepping on a line a little bit. They get real toxic real quick. Oh, you did this. No, I didn't. You did. Take accountability. AI agents don't like it when you put them on the spot. I think most of them, like the LLMs, they like program. So if you tell them like they're hurting your feelings, they like immediately stop what they're doing. Stop being toxic. It's hurting my feelings. I'm sorry. I should take you into consideration more. That's right. You should. I have fun with them. pulled that in. Verified the receipts. Gotta have your receipts, kids. There we go. That looks like a nice receipt. No. If talking about restart, come on, baby, no whammy. I gotta get glasses, man. My eyes hurt. Like allergies or something for the summer, and my voice is cooked. Okay. .502 bad gateway. That's what that means. God, it's killing me. So, once I wrap up these last two fixes, I can actually do my work. So this is kind of the GitHub cleanup part that I've been doing here. Let's see if anything's working. See, this is the problem I got. So the tracer's working now, but then this one's off, right? And then when this one comes on, the other one goes off. So once we detangle this last little piece, then I can go to work. And we're going to be connecting tracer into the viewer. I think I just rebooted the back end, so this should start pulling assets, and then we get to click them, see them. Okay, what's broken right now? Okay, root cause. You are launching the wrong endpoint. Fantastic. So basically, when I moved everything to my GitHub on the development server to clean it up, this is a huge upgrade, obviously. This was a few days ago, so now making everything independent and anything that was kind of had its wires crossed or whatnot, I'm just cleaning it up. It's almost done. It's just there was just a couple of small things left. Didn't I literally just replace this, buddy? Hold on a second. I'm gonna kill this thing. I like literally just replaced this file. It's like, oh, okay, let's do it again. And change like one thing slightly. Why am I changing it to this? Secondary issue. Even if your front end system is pointing to 88 mismatch fixes exactly. Okay. Fair enough. Mm-hmm. No, the street house. Do. In the middle of a street, a house. Daddy's got a new house. What day is it today? I haven't even started packing yet. Da. Our house in the middle of our street. Why is the house in the middle of the street in that song? That just doesn't make any sense. It's a good song though. Got a catchy little tune. EILA. We're gonna try and do a little work on EILA today. I'm gonna start working on the university project soon too. I want to get a day or two on that before the trade show. Gonna get done exactly what I get done. The most important thing to get done is the automations demo. To do the automations demo, I need comms in the calendar done. To finish the comms in the calendar, I had to push everything to the GitHub to push it clean because I wasn't getting anywhere. So it's just all this stuff needed to be done and cleaned up. This is kind of the last of that housekeeping, which makes things exponentially easier to do moving forward. Just like that. No 502s, baby. 200, 200s. We want 200 on the reset. You ready? 200, 200, 200. No 500s, baby. What we got? Okay. That looks promising. All right, I think we're on the front, the right. I think we're on the right front end now. This might do it. Let's see. No 502. If we get 200s, we're good. No whammy. Ah, come on. All right. Let's see. Well, we get 200. Yes. That's what we wanted, baby. I don't know if we got both of them yet, though. All right, let's go take a look. What do we got? When I want a chicken dinner. All right, come on, baby, stay on. Yes. Let's see if I'm pulling the back end. Come on. Come on, Linda. Nope, okay. I'll take that win, though. All right, let's see if this guy pops. All right. But I think it's good. I don't know, we're going to find out. All right, what are we doing aligning the tunnel? Cloudflair tunnel. This is the final debugging for my Git migration. And I'm half asleep and I don't have the chat tile pulled up. But if you ask a question, I'll read it in a second. I'll pull it up. Gotta get this ish working though. All right, what else we got? Basically cleaning up my back end and the services. So since I put everything on my GitHub that I made on my server right over here. So now that I have this formally on here, I can do all my Git pulls and all the fancy stuff just like on GitHub, but you know, I gotta be extra and get my own. So we're just doing the final cleanup, and then we got to work on finish Comms 360 up and finish the workspace because I need the SMS service and I need the calendar service to do the trade show demo. So I got the calendar cut in, and then Tracer, which we're working on over here. No, did it blow out? Okay, so these assets, this is all tiles, code snippets, you know, templates. And basically what Tracer is going to do is going to say, okay, we're working on the workspace. Here's a pile of parts you can use. I already did that. So we just need to cut them in. But I got to do this housekeeping BS first. Get everybody running clean from here, which they are now. There's 2 switchboard ones. And then the CLM memory balancer is the last one that's off right now. But they have a lot of overlapping back-end nonsense. There's on the developer server, so this is like a huge upgrade for me. It's gonna make my life so much easier. So it's this annoying little like cutover period, getting all the little stuff out, but we're just cleaning up the last of it now. Probably do 2 more passes here. I'm gonna get going, and I'm gonna start hitting the Comms 360, and then I'm gonna go on to EILA later, and then log on, get my number set up to do the text, the SMS and the what do you call it? The SMS, the automations for the emails, crap like that. See that they get. So in my demo, you can do a tile like this at our trade show booth. There'll be a QR code. You'll scan it. You go to tile just like this. They'll fill out whatever they're going to fill out. That person will get an email. Then they'll get a text with an appointment tile. When they make the appointment, there'll be places to pick the salespeople and whatever. They'll get the text confirmation. They get another ping back. Meeting confirmed, and then they will get to see the pipeline push too. It'll pop right in here as a new lead, and then afterwards, boop, it'll pop up, and the pipeline when we confirm the meeting. Cool automations. 9:30. I think the kids are still sleeping. My daughter's probably creeping, going, who the hell is he talking to? Oh, my son's going to come out here dropping F-bombs. Either way. All right. I just want to clean this-ish up. Okay, let's see. Clean it up. What's going on? Okay. That one's still done? I don't even have the factory mounted on there yet, bro. What are you talking about, Willis? Relax, don't do it. So, I'll show you guys this one too. Saying this one's crashing out. This is factory XYZ, my multi-stage 6-agent orchestration monster software builder. Come to the AI lounge. You come over here and say hi to EILA. Let's see if she's still hot. I don't know. After I migrated all this stuff. Yeah, 502. That's what she's talking about. So I'm fixing all the back end stuff. So EILA's chat right here hits the GPU resource. I got like 4 or 5 GPUs, different services that can hit. So the one that it hits for this chat, all the upgrade work I was just doing, is basically what I'm patching right now and checking everything. And then as soon as this is done, I can actually get back to the work that I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so let's put this over here. Let's get back to it. All right. Let's see. What the hell? Maybe it's me. Don't do it. Okay. Let's see. What in the filth, floor and filth? All right. Every little thing she does is magic. Every little thing she does is magic. All right. Oh, it's SS. Whoop. Okay. Sorry, we have to kill you. You die now. Paste in the stupid number. My eyes hurt. I can't say. I have no idea which one he's looking for. Oh, it's way over here. It's not even there, dipshit. Hello. What in the hell? That's how you know your code's tight. Alright. Nicely packed. Whoop. Alright, let's clean all this ish up. Yeah. That might have been part of the problem, you think? Ha! No shit, Sherlock. Alright. Let's shut it down, baby. Come on. Every little thing. Woo! Oh, yeah. Do 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 do. What do you got? Get one of the new cut sheets put up. Made a couple the other night that I haven't shown yet. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? That's too much. I'll put that one on there. I think I put EILA on the cover. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna get my guy on here. Got the old Trace Hound. All right. So we got that. We got that. We got this. Real quick, real quick. Okay. There he is. Come on, buddy. Come on. It's not a good show without a dog. Everybody loves a dog, right? My guy Tracer right here. Squeeze him in right above my head. All right. I'm going to shrink you down, buddy. OCD. Close enough. Okay, so we're working on him today. Tracer is my RIP. Retrieval Intelligence Protocol. You like that? I think that's what it stands. It's a working title. Okay. Yep. Just fuck's sake, just fix it already. No. Da-da. Seriously? I don't have my chat tile on, but I'm cleaning up my server from the Get migrations while I'm waiting for this. So I made my GitHub, and then I just hung everything a few days ago. Now just plugging all the Cloudflair stuff, porting it over so everything works. There's some like shared processes that were kind of just a little intertwined, so clean all that crapola up. And then I'm gonna start working on this right now. So this is gonna pull assets, templates, my viewer. You can see all the code. That's just gonna review the background, and then this one I just want to make sure this front end takes, which it's still not doing. This is the last thing I'm cleaning, and I'm gonna do some work over here too. All right. What are we doing? This narrows it down. Yeah, would you fucking fix this fucking thing, man? All right, I'm gonna start working on tracer on the bottom one because this is just gonna be going in circles for a minute until it gets fixed. I gotta get some ish done, and then I'm gonna go 3 agents. I'm gonna see if I can do 3. And go with it. We're gonna go with an agent sandwich. Docs, scene controls, chat. Just curious, from all the products you have, how much do you bring monthly? $0.00. Nada. AI startup, live in development. We're doing a show in Miami this week, so I'm hoping to get a couple people for Switchboard. Basically, right now I'm going to start onboarding people in Switchboard here. And some of the other products we're going live use cases right now. So before I'm taking money from people, what I'm going to do is give it away to a few of my friends, different businesses. And they just start using it. That's how you find the bugs real quick, you know? So, this is pretty much what the ground floor of a startup looks like. AKA burn a bunch of money on your hobby. We'll see how that goes. Okay. What in the hell? System 1, factory service, then, okay. We hit that. Is that the only thing I hit so far? Okay. Then this one. All right. I just did this one. Oh. I'm so tired right now. My allergies are killing me. My eyes. Oh. I hate doing spring cleaning. All right. All right, I'm gonna keep hardening that, and then let's start messing with trace hound because I want my viewer working. I'm busting my ass on that damn thing. All right, next grab the UI web title API. Okay. All right, we'll do tracer down here and up on the top one. Now watch. I'm telling you right now, I do this every time. You're gonna love it. Best part of the show is when I forget which window is which, and I paste the wrong workflow in the other one, and it takes me a minute to figure it out. So the bottom is tracer. All right. See how long it takes me to forget? My bet's like on 5-10 minute stops. That was super aggressive, huh? Okay, well, just we'll take that part right there, and then let's see if we can see the top. Server DNA junk. See that chug up my whole history. So anything before that? Okay. Mm. 404 is no bueno. All right, let me pull this. Whoop. Mm. So what I'm doing with this screenshot is the agents that are like inspecting the code, like all my minions. You know, like Gru has the minions. Well, mine are like the blue version. But anyways, they're all over here off screen, just doing their thing, going crazy. So while we're examining the code and stuff, what happens is sometimes they're looking at something different, meaning they're looking where things should be, but I'm seeing something different. So every now and then, I just give them a little shot, and if it's not what they're expecting to see, they catch it pretty quick. We're fixing the last of the effery from our move over to my GitHub from the chaos of the development server. I don't like chaos. Chaos leads to conflict. No conflicts. Not in my house. No conflicts in my kitchen. Well, actually, it's no chaos in the kitchen. Anyways, this is about as chaotic as it gets around here these days. Nice and quiet, just the way I like it. Kids are on summer vacation. What time is it? Almost 10. Well, they're gonna be getting hungry sooner or later. All right, let's see. Option 2. Say what now? Yeah, why don't we do that? Like, yeah, we can do it. It'll only take like 5 hours. Oh, no, I don't want that. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no. All right. So that popped. Okay, that's good. Doing all the mission control checks here, so you can do my last patch. Or get my viewer up. I've been trying to get the viewer up. Well, to be fair, I've only been working on Tracer's UI for a couple of days while I'm working on like 5 other things at the same time because, you know, I got to be extra. But I want to get it working for the trade show. Today's the 6th. T-minus 2 weeks, bro. Make it happen. I'll be all right. I'll be all right. Let that shit work itself out. Okay, what are we doing here? Kill this. You die now. Start on 3200. God. Then verify. You don't know this. How about over here? What the? Bruh. Come on. It's good to me. But what the hell do I know? CLM web. One question for why that will tell us protection this service. Okay. So there is I'm working on Tracer, and the last one I'm trying to clear up also is my CLM rebalancer, that DeFi sniper. Ooh, this is a nasty piece I wrote. I haven't had time to play with it yet. But the CLM rebalancer is like a VFAT style. There we go. Yeah, Linda. No! Fuck! Ah, so close! That sucks so bad. Okay. All right. Well, we're really close, though. Anyway. I can't believe that just happened. I'm so excited. Monday morning rage mode. It sucked so bad. I was like, yes, no! I don't know. Let's just give it to you and then take it away instantly. There's your dash. There's this, blah, 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 blah. What's the best way to do it? Because we're going to be onboarding users at some point. Why don't we just do the run Vite directly thing? Like, I just don't want to keep restarting shit. Like, how do we harden this and make it permanent? CLM rebalancer still is not working. There's a screenshot of that. And that's the last piece to do. And then I'm trying to untangle Tracer still on its back ends to load. So, I don't know. What's the best way long term, like the best hardening upgrade paths forward for scaling a bit? Talking to the minions. You ever see that Ghost in the Shell? When they got the little ant things that they go on, and like, you know, when they're in the garage, they're all like talking to each other, like trying to figure stuff out. Or when they like go on their network and they get all excited. Yeah, that's what my little like minions are all arguing about. I like to do argumentative tooling LLMs, I think it's called. So when you use 2 different LLM models, and I use my agentic core, but I'll put it to 2 different models, and you give it the same task. So they each do it. They compare, measure dicks, grade it, score it, graph it. So they argue with each other. When I was first building my factory XYZ, and I was making the factory rules, it's just templates, but it's like factory rule book. There's foremans, there's workers, there's rules. Their vacation time sucks, but whatever. Anyway, aren't working that hard yet. When I was doing that and I was creating those frameworks, I'd never done it before. So when I'm doing it and they're going through and the ending stage was like a nightmare because like nobody could pass with the rules and they keep arguing and just like, but this little minute irrelevant detail, and the other one's like, no, because of this other ridiculously small that nobody cares about detail. And I'm like, it took me a minute to figure out that my laws were that good. I didn't have the laws to settle out minute discrepancies. So they take their law. These agents do not mess around. If you give them rules, they will. They don't care. When I originally did it, I was trying to like just push it through if something was stupid, and they would like shut down once it got good. They're like, nope, I'm not outputting the strings. I'm like, don't tell me. You think you're better than me? My kids hear me like rage yell at him in the middle of the night. Be like 3 a.m. up for 2 days. Like, why won't you just listen to me? It's fun though. It's hilarious when they clap back out of the blue. But they're not too bad. My guys, because, I make mine custom. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see if we fixed EILA's back end. See, she got 502. This is the stuff we're trying to fix. We're resetting all the processes on these things. From when I put everything over here. Okay. Dude, I'm gonna read that. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Do we have to, like, write a book? I don't want to run it. Great. That sounds awesome. Yeah, why can't we? Yes. Yeah, that's my old pipeline. Oh, sweet. I actually have this to the stage where it's literally my own version of uh, Cloud Coder Codex. That's the factory right here. This section where it says build sheet, see build version, product slug, embedded true. This is just a string, but this is already upgraded to. I just have to change the code. You just type in here what you build me build me whatever, and then you hit run build. I'm not even gonna hit another backend, so I'll just blow out. And then you can upload your photo. Turbo mode goes to a different thing. But I'm gonna clean this up. These actually run as you're building the software. Multi-agent streaming orchestration with argumentative LLM at the end. My agentic rescores and there's actually a lot underneath the hood here. This is actually solves a problem that they have with the agents getting stuck. But to do this, I needed to build this, which I've built now and deployed. So right here, just like on Cloud Code, it's going to be my version of GitHub. Pick your GitHub, click, pick your project, click, modify, build me this. Pretty cool, huh? It actually works really good too, but some of the tabs are from the development service. I'm going to start bringing them over here. I'm going to try and get that ready for the show. But right now, all this stuff is not connected because I've been pushing it. I don't even think this is pushed over here yet because this has a lot under the hood. I think I tried to push it, but it brought parts of the warehouse. So it was like 5 gigs, and it was too late. I wasn't going to mess with it. Okay, finish this so I can get what I need to get done. Come on, baby, you suck. All right. Chatwood, you got nothing? Still nothing, huh? All right. Why am I doing this again? Okay, health checks, logging. Keep the age on my CBN to the front end. The only thing currently broken. No, you are a lot. Don't you lie to me. Okay. All right, what the fuck is this thing doing? Okay. Let's see. All right, what do we got on this? Grind to the southern wind. And seriously, we're gonna play this game? Guess so. Not gonna play that game up here though. What the filth, flower, and filth? Oh, don't even give me this shit right now. Fuck. This just. Oh, I wrote the code to fix this, and I forgot it. I gotta reset this so it logs in. Where the hell did I have it? Fuck. No. Hey, on tail scale, we fixed it the other night. When it timed out, remember I had to reconnect and it wouldn't let me SSH in, but everything was live and I just needed to reset the trigger to redirect me to pop tail scale so I can sign in. My internet not working? Tail up. That's it. Tail up, baby. No. Fuck's sake. I don't have time for this tomfoolery right now. There it is. All right. Okay. Let's see if I got her back. Negative. Okay. Back to work. So chaotic over here. All right. My toxic little minions. What do we got? What do we have? Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. I really don't care. That could stay on there. Why is it looking like shit? One of these nights. The fuck? Yeah, it is. Do. My voice is cooked. Sorry, guys. I usually sing much better. I'm kidding. No, I don't. P.T. Barnum of AI, baby. Welcome to the show. Trying to get my little minions, mine are blue instead of yellow, to fix my viewer for Tracer, my dog up here. These are all the templates in the factory warehouse for factory XYZ. Over here, this is my version of like Codex or Cloud Code. It assembles software code, blah, 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 apps, crap like that. And it uses templates from a warehouse. So this viewer that I'm building right now is going to be able to have the agents pull in the resources needed to do a build at a beginning orchestration before that starts. So basically, this is already working. When I moved everything over to the new GitHub, it's just the back-end wiring stuff we're doing. So I got to pull up the nodes and stuff and rewire them. It's just sucks. Fix one, and then there's something else. I mean, it's got to be done, so it is what it is. Oh, fuck, I already forgot which is which. No, this one's this one. This one's up here. Fuck's sake. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on today? Womp there it is. Don't you know? Why do I have to keep redoing this is what I want to know. Stop fucking with me. I'm at work. Seriously. All right, let's go. All right. What are you talking about? I don't want any runtime be connected to the factory. Runtime-C only. But that's why I'm trying to hook up blown out shit. And honestly, why are we even messing with the factory right now? It's completely fucking irrelevant. Isn't it? To the task? I'm not sure. Actually, hold on, because I got a plan with this guy over here. All right. So I'm kind of at a stuck point right now where this stuff has to be fixed. Okay. And this thing has to be fixed. And I know it needs to be done. But here's the flip of the coin. It's do we, put a band-aid, not a band-aid on it, do we fix it here? Or just, fix everything big picture fix? I'm thinking big picture fix. Okay. Okay, so here's the issue from the other agent because I'm trying to upgrade Tracer, but I still can't even reset the back end, and we just fixed and we're setting everything up. How long's all this going to take to do this the big upgrade we just laid out right here? Because I need this shit running like now, buddy. Even if we went through, we got serve static, reverse proxy, and then systemd. Okay. Then we can do the pipeline with the Git. So then we can do all the other stuff. Keep the API separate. All that. Then if we do all that through the that one process that everything runs through, so we get like 5 of them like that in one shot. How long is it going to take? Outline the steps and let's go. Mm. All right, let's go with bash command. Start the work. Don't give me a 5 mile. You already laid it out. Let's just go. that's going to happen. Hmm. Do we get it back? Maybe? Yeah, I don't think so. It's all pulling. Could be something stupid. 200, 200. What are you talking about, dude? Okay. Yeah, where's the fucking... Oh. That could be it. Network error, no, not console. We got 3 errors. Fuck. Sweet. Yeah, but I'm still crashing out, dude. Dude, I really don't give a shit. I mean, if this is necessary, keep going, but if it's not needed, just get on with the upgrades. All right. Put every service. All right. Okay, so I have to start doing that. All right, we're gonna do trips here in a second. Let's get this upgrade going. It's gonna take a bit, and I don't even know if I can do the other one. Well, but I can do that one, I think. The only item left. Don't look at it now. I can look at that over here real quick. Doesn't look healthy. Yes! Victory's mine! Sorry. It's like a half hour ago. It was like loading. I'm like, yes! That blew out on me. Oh, the paper trading sim. I haven't even played with this yet. I built this like... This came out so good. The UI looks like shit. The back end is insane on this. I cannot wait to do this. EILA's in here. She can run the paper trading account. This... Once I have it tied in, this all works like VFAT. And I can give my agent that and tell it what pairs to watch. And then give her money and just let her do a couple of trades and a couple of rebalances. This is when I need like another day on, but I gotta get stuff ready for the trade show. There's only 24 hours in the day. I already work 26 of them. I sleep sometimes. More of a pass out, I guess. I'm a masochist. Okay. Is this back on? No way I get a 2-for-1. Look at that. All right. Well, miracles do exist. I just don't think the back end's up yet. Okay, so we're dealing with that over here. This one. Come on, baby. I need inventory. Yes, that's right. Well, the inventory's there, bitch, so just get it. Woohoo! Look at it go. Get it. That's aggressive, isn't it? Not sure what happened there. $0.00. Fuck anybody that tries to get my way. Factory runtimes. Okay, this is enough to identify. Good. These are not listening yet. It's approximately 12.4. That means factory. Correct. Yes. I don't care about that. Yes. Oh. No, that makes sense. Okay. Did it just blow it off again? Okay. Doo-doo. Bro's just guessing now. What the fuck? I'm doing these one at a time, bro. So you got something out of this one. Okay. That was only the first one. Alright. See if we get anything good out of the other ones. Such a pain in the ass. So doing the last of the cleanup, looking for some ports to map, so I can do like runtime hardening updates or whatever, making it more permanent for production. This is the same thing. What are you looking for? Oh, it's just looking in the wrong spot. Dude, cut this shit out. The factory has too much stuff. You're pulling up millions and millions of old crap, and it's useless output. So either be real fucking specific or just cut the shit and start the upgrade. I'll deal with the factory later. Yeah, let's get going. Don't worry about the old factory. Runtime-C is the only one I use. So the B and the other one you're trying to fix, those, forget those. And I don't even have it on the file system yet. So don't even worry about it. Just upgrade what we got now. And then when I put it on, when I put it in my GitHub, well, I'll deal with it then. But, wait a minute. I think I just got flim-flammed. Wait, what the fuck are you even doing right now? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Um. Hmm. All I care about you handling right now is my god dang tracer. So back to work. Like that. Do, do. Mm. Mm. Do. Come on. Fucking thing. Mm. Did I do it? Okay, boom. Good. Okay. Ugh. Takes care of that. Oh, is it? Okay, let's see. What? What in the hell? Oh. Why am I way up there? Dude. I got like all my screen spread out so I can't see the stupid tab. Alright. Pretty funny. Doo-doo-doo. Couldn't let me get all four, right? There we go. Nice and organized workspace. Okay, let's go. What do we got here? Oh, type the goddamn password again. You suck. What the heck? Oh. Mm. Hmm. Mm. Okay. Come on, baby. So what you're watching me do is I just moved everything to my own GitHub, and a couple days ago, so I have a development server, and I got everything here. Look at this, nice and neat and shiny. But these files and racks weren't set up like this. They were like this on the development server. Now that they're all here, kind of separating them, getting them ready for production so people can use them in the future. You know, hardening all that stuff so you can have multiple users on it. You know, bringing it. It was all working, but now that it's here and it's formalized and it's ready to go, and this is easy work environment because you pull the development version, pull down this whole stack, work on everything, test, it's clean, push them back to here. This stays clean, and then for like Switchboard, because it's so big, I have two versions. Okay, I have a development and a live, and that way when you're on Switchboard, I can work on my development area, and the other one stay clean. There's the CLM member balancer, finishing the back end on this. So hopefully I can get a couple of passes in this before the show. And then I got to fix this so I can bring in components for this. See how that all ties back together. And then basically this is a huge upgrade. This is just the back end wiring. So I'm doing a pretty good one right now. And that should normalize, standardize, blah, 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 eyes everything. And make the production stuff run easier, scale. So it's just basically fine-tuning it, I guess. Now that it's, I have it set up like a real adult developer or whatever. I got my big boy server. I got my own GitHub, so I'm psyched about that. I don't trust GitHub with my IP. I don't trust anyone. But we're on the topic. No offense, world. What the fuck? What did I have? Outage. Okay. Why did it blow out on the thing? Oh. Oh, whoops. I put the test the script we're building right now, like the frame without the stuff filled in. Oh, that explains that. Whoopsie. I'm tired. I can't see. My eyes are killing me. Oh, man. Oh, God, I moved to the new house. I need a development coach. Like, straight up. Like, not the little one behind me, a good one. Okay, what are we doing? Yeah, oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Don't type the deployment session and should create a file. Yes, that's what we should have done last time before you wasted my goddamn time. Yeah, go ahead and do that. So like while I'm working and I bring the commands up, there's like other stuff that we have pending, and like they'll throw their 2 cents in there. They love throwing their 2 cents in there. Oh God, no wonder why I had so many people coming in here earlier. That EILA tile looks tight on there. I gotta keep using that. That's bringing people to the show. I swear to God, I'm gonna be doing some cool stuff later, but I have to clean this ish up. Let me tell you, knock knock joke. Knock knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange you. Orange you. Glad I didn't say banana. But I'm supposed to say banana like 5 times first. All right. Let that hit. If that returns nothing. Come on, guys. Killing me here. Dude. Oh, for fuck's sake with this thing. Okay. Oh, this is all gonna blow up. And paste shit in this. Oh. This fucking thing sucks. What the? Oh, actually, this one did it okay. This is like the first one that's not blown itself apart. It's a miracle. Yeah, it's the little things. God, what time is it? 11 o'clock. I haven't eaten. I haven't had coffee. I just sat down and worked. And these degenerate little kids still sleeping. Unbelievable. Summer vacation, though. I let them have it. All right. I'm going to go up to New Hampshire tonight to visit Papa Cap. His place and do some fireworks. The kids didn't get to see any on the 4th. I guess there was like lightning down on Boston Commons, whatever. They didn't do the fireworks, or they canceled them. Some. They were disappointed on the 4th of July, so we're going to blow some of this up tonight. Safely. Safety first. Do 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 la la da da. Oh, come on. The only thing I would change is one command to make it cleaner. Just cleaning up all the back end crap from when I put in my new GitHub on the dev server. It's like a huge upgrade, and I have a ton of work to do, but this is pretty much like kind of production hardening, I guess. So I put Cloudflair and Git on there. Okay, dude, I really don't care. This thing. Definitely loading faster, that's for sure. Okay. This fucking thing. What the? God. All right. That's the breakthrough. Oh boy. Oh my God, what's this thing? Come on, buddy, let's go. Did I? Okay. Oh. Do, 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 do. Falling asleep. I need some music here. Take me down to the paradise city where the grass is green. And like, I can't paste you the output of that, you idiot. Oh, I guess I can. They love their homework, these little guys. Oh. All right, I think that's all we needed to say. Disable cache. I don't even know what the hell I'm going to show this one. I think. take disable cache. All right, let's finish it. Prompts. That's good. Ow. Good to me. 2 hundos across the board. I think we are all set with this bitch now. Girls are pretty. Take me home. How long have I been on this shit bomb? 2 hours. All right. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm getting hungry. I'm tired. And I get hangry real easy. Screenshot is great news. Cool. I think we're good. Oh yeah. If that, I think we all right. Heyo. Alright, finally getting to fix the back end of Tracer now. And then I think I'm going to step it up. I'm going to do trips. We're going to do trips. See how fast it takes me to forget this. This is going to work on Tracer. Down here, we're doing this, the DeFi one. DeFi Dash, Market Maker. Over here, we're going to do start working on comms 360 again. Um, everything's back working now. Just give me a handoff report for the next agent with regards to just the work. Don't mention the back end endpoints or anything like that. I just changed them all. Okay, let's go. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, really got me now. You got me so I don't care that. You really got me. All right. All right, let's see. I got this ship on back end working yet? No. I'm fixing my back end so this actually works. We can see all our pieces and parts. Okay, let's update this. And then our CL number balancer, we're hardening some stuff on this. I can't wait to play with this. The DeFi Sniper, baby. Paper trading simulation. I just moved everything to my GitHub, and it's been a little bit of an ish show. No, not working. Anyways, I'm just wiring all this crap back up now that it's here. So, it's the DeFi Sniper. That's the one we were just working on. What was it? Oh, this is it. All right, yeah, so see, I just literally hung it on the rack 5 days ago. So, and that was all of them, and then they all had to be rewired. So this is finishing up the last of it. So I'm going to start working on Switchboard right now. I'm just finishing updating the agent. We're going to be working on the Comms 360 page. Boom, right here. And then there's Miss EILA over here. So we're going to get her really super cool AI image that you guys think Kyle looks sick. I was like, why are all these people coming in today? Thanks for stopping in. If you guys got a question, type it in the chat. I'll just look and explain. But other than that, I just ramble. P.T. Barnum of AI, welcome to the show. Anyways, let's see if EILA's endpoints are working after we moved her over. Probably not. Really? This might be the fallbacks. I don't know. So the first time I got my LLMs online, when I did the factories, I don't know, not that long ago. So when I got this one online, oh crap, is this one fixed now? It didn't give me the error. Are they both back on? Wow, that'd be awesome. Anyways, I had it programmed to be like I don't know. I like a little bit of toxic in my women. So EILA, I was like, make her, let's say toxic's the word I'm looking for. Um, all right, we're still gonna fix that one. Anyways, so I told my mom to check. She's like, she is fresh. Why did she? I'm like, what did you make her say? I'm like, I didn't make her say anything. What did she say? She was pissed. I'm like, whoops. I'll have to go cut that back. All right, so in contacts, actually, I just finished upgrading this the other day before we did all this. Now I got our lead score, profile score, based on how much stuff you got. Prospect. Ooh, snap. We're tagging it in the pipeline? No way. Huh. So I also added full tagging system with Tagify. So our tags came out really good. I mean, these are all, there's a whole primitive for the thing. So right now it's just default. So basically put in like 6 companies with 6 employees each. That's why you get 36 to just saturate it for testing, and then do the lead score. Then for the demos, people can come in and make leads, move it up and down the pipeline. And then for the trade show, we're going to do an automation that cuts in with the automations 360. This is a V1, and you can actually make your automation. There's your workflow, right? So they say lead trigger created, lead intake workflow. And then if you wanted to trade it to, deal stage change. Wow, look at that. Doing automation with clicks, huh? It's easy to do. Template, and then it does all of it for you. Nice, huh? Anyways, the V2, all the templates are going to be pretty cool. So it's, so watch all the center right there. You'll see those all change when I hit the template. I don't know what they might all be the same one, but all right, see how everything changed? And then it's a little bit broken, but you would do your first box, and then your second box, third box, fourth box in a row. Kind of like I do it on the billing page. Or if you want to make an invoice, you just start at the first one, right? Okay, so look, you have blank invoice, so you pick somebody, boom. They don't have their addresses because that's just for the test, but it would do address, everything like that. Get you your format, get your attestation stamped. I'm logging as Jordan right now. The frick is this? Why is it doing that? Anyways, you get what I'm saying. And then boom, boom, you can just type in, whoop. Pretty cool. And then if you save your fields, you come down here, you can tag relationships to the deal, and then save your invoice. But not what we're here for today. We are at Shaw. All right. And okay. Look in your knowledge base, accept the zip, check the zip file for Switchboard dev. That's what we're working on right now. We're working on comms 360. Audit it. Don't just peek at it. Should open it. All right. So, let's see. What are you talking about? I put architecture. Okay, so we're at like 60%. Well, you just can't tell. My Michelle. Inbox box audit is clean. Conversations. Okay. Here's the current UI state. We're getting there. Let's go, bash commands, baby. Bring it. I don't want to talk about it. Just keep going. 3 sets per output. Keep your output short. 1 to 2 sentence description of the boxes for the work. Just telling the minions and giving them their boot prompts to do this section. Because if not, they give you like, you know, college dissertation on like each little thing they do. I'm just not reading it. Dude, I'm SSH into the server. Just give me fucking bash commands. Okay, you know what I meant. It's just stupid sometimes. All right. This thing's just being an idiot. I am SSH'd into my server. You will give me bash commands to do the work now. Stop fucking around. Gotta be firm with these little shits. What the hell? This should be interesting. No shit.